Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to set up WordPress. Now we install the WordPress. At first, this is my jump server, WAMP server. As you wish, you use jump or WAMP server. At first, activate it. I activate it also. This is my WAMP server. I activated it. Then at first we go to wordpress.com. Okay, we Google it. WordPress download. Then download WordPress is here. Download WordPress 4.7. Download it. Download it. I already downloaded it. Then go to the directory where you install your jump or WAMP. I installed it on C drive. There is my WAMP. In the www folder, here is my WordPress. Downloaded zip file. Then I extract it and renamed my WordPress. Just renamed, no more change. Okay. Then at first, then we go to our local host. This is my local host, and this is my WordPress folder. This zip folder is extract into folder and renamed my WordPress. Click here. Select your language. I select English, United States. Continue. Now your site name, as you wish, I set it ADVUUT tips and tricks. Username, your username, Shakir Ullah. This is my password. My email, and click here, install WordPress. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Username Shakir Ullah and password, my chosen password. Then login. Type your username and password. I set here remember. So we already installed WordPress, and this is our dashboard. Now when you customize your WordPress, Okay, that's it. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.